What's going on? Welcome back to the channel for another video. So let's talk about something that might sting just a little bit. And that is, nobody cares about your photography. Yeah, no one. And before you rage quit this video, hear me out, because this might just be the best thing you'll ever hear. So we've all been there, pouring hours, no, days, into capturing that perfect shot, the golden hour, the right lens, the perfect composition. You finally post it online, and what do you get? Literal crickets. You know, with that one or two comments saying nice photo. And then there's that generic shot that you took in an overly touristy spot that blows up. People love it, but why? Well, because it's familiar, it's easy, and it requires zero effort to appreciate. But the truth is, even those likes and comments, they don't mean people actually care. They tapped, scrolled, and moved on. So why does this matter? Because once you accept that no one cares, you're free. Free to stop chasing likes, free to create for yourself, free to do what you love without explanation. And that, my friends, is the secret sauce. You know, like when you're out shooting landscapes, there's no clients or anyone really breathing down your neck. No deadlines, no pressure. It's just you and nature. It's the perfect playground to find your voice as a photographer. Okay, well, not always perfect, but you get what I mean. Even in my case, even my friends and my wife barely care. And that's okay. Because here's the thing. If you want people to really care about your work, you have to give them more than a pretty picture. You have to tell them a story. Take this photo for example. A friend of mine would not stop talking about it, and she just kept asking for a print over and over. Now, it's not a masterpiece, but it mattered to her. And that connection, that's the real power of photography. So next time that you're out shooting, ask yourself this question. Why does this shot matter to me? If you can answer that question, then you've already won. And if someone else connects with it, well, that's just a bonus. So that's it. Why nobody cares about your photos. Let me know your thoughts in the comments. Do you agree? Do you disagree? I'm curious what you think. Anyway, I hope you all enjoyed the video. If so, make sure to smash the like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and click the bell to be notified of future videos. Also, hit up my website, jeff-gresham.com, to pick up my Lightroom preset pack featuring 13 presets that I designed to use on all my photo projects. And until we meet again, get out and shoot. And I'll catch you next time. Later.